Hey everybody! We all want to live our best lives, right? Sometimes that means making changes. It can be a little scary, but trust me, it's worth it. Change helps us grow, it pushes us out of our comfort zones, and it allows us to discover new things about ourselves. Are you ready for an amazing journey? Let's do this. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. You have the power to create the life you've always wanted. So let's get started. Imagine going on a road trip without a destination in mind. You start your journey with excitement, the open road ahead of you, the possibilities endless. The thrill of the unknown can be exhilarating. You might end up somewhere interesting, discovering hidden gems and beautiful places you never knew existed. These unexpected destinations can be delightful surprises, but without a clear plan, you'd probably get lost along the way, spending more time figuring out where you are than enjoying the journey. The uncertainty can lead to frustration and wasted time. Life's kind of like that too. Without clear goals, we can find ourselves wandering aimlessly, getting caught up in the hustle and bustle without a sense of purpose. Goals are like our map and compass. They provide us with direction, guiding us through the twists and turns of life. They help us navigate through challenges and stay on course. They give us direction and help us stay focused. When we have a clear vision of what we want to achieve, we can channel our energy and resources more effectively. When we set goals, we're deciding where we want to go in life. It's like plotting a route on a map, marking the milestones we want to reach. Do you want to be healthier? Learn a new skill? Start a business? Write it down. Putting your goals on paper makes them tangible and gives you a sense of accountability. Having clear goals gives us something to strive for. It motivates us to take action and make progress, no matter how small the steps may be. Remember, your goals are personal to you. They reflect your dreams, your values, and your aspirations. Take time to reflect on what truly matters to you. Don't worry about what others are doing. It's easy to get distracted by the achievements and opinions of others, but your journey is unique. Focus on what truly matters to you. Prioritize your goals and stay committed to your path, even when it gets challenging. It's your journey, your adventure. Embrace it with enthusiasm and determination. Every step you take brings you closer to your destination, and every experience along the way shapes who you are. Okay, so we know goals are important. They give us direction and purpose, acting as a roadmap to where we want to go in life. Without goals, we might find ourselves wandering aimlessly, unsure of what to do next or how to achieve our dreams. But not all goals are created equal. Some goals can be too vague, too ambitious, or simply unrealistic. It's crucial to set goals that are well-defined and attainable. To really make a difference, our goals need to be SMART. This method ensures that our goals are clear and reachable, providing a solid framework for success. That stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each element plays a vital role in the goal-setting process. Specific? Instead of saying I want to eat healthier, try I want to eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. See the difference? A specific goal is clear and unambiguous, making it easier to understand and achieve. Measurable. How will you track your progress? Having measurable goals allows you to see how far you've come and what still needs to be done. For example, I will walk for 30 minutes 3 times a week. This way, you can easily measure your success and stay motivated. Now you can measure your success. Tracking progress helps you stay on course and make necessary adjustments along the way. Achievable. Don't set yourself up for failure. It's important to set goals that are challenging, yet attainable. Start with small, manageable goals. Breaking down larger goals into smaller steps makes them more achievable and less overwhelming. You can always challenge yourself more later on. As you achieve smaller goals, you'll build confidence and momentum to tackle bigger challenges. Relevant. Does this goal align with your values and aspirations? Setting relevant goals ensures that you're working towards something meaningful and worthwhile. Make sure it's something you genuinely care about. When your goals are aligned with your passions and values, you're more likely to stay committed and motivated. Time-bound. Give yourself a deadline. Having a time frame creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused. For instance, I will run a 5K in 3 months. Setting a deadline pushes you to take action and prevents procrastination. This creates a sense of urgency and keeps you motivated. Deadlines help you prioritize your tasks and manage your time effectively, ensuring that you stay on track to achieve your goals. Remember, setting SMART goals is just the beginning. It's it's also important to celebrate your achievements along the way. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and reinforces your commitment to your goals. Share your goals and progress with others. Having a support system can provide encouragement and accountability, making it easier to stay on track. Finally, be flexible and willing to adjust your goals as needed. Life is unpredictable and sometimes our goals may change. Regularly review and update your goals keeps you moving on and relevant and achievable. By setting smart goals and staying creative, you can well on your way to achieving success. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Enjoy the process and celebrate each milestone along the way. Sometimes our goals can feel overwhelming, like how am I ever going to run a marathon? That's where breaking it down comes in. Think of your big goal as a puzzle. Each piece represents a smaller, more manageable step. Instead of focusing on the entire marathon, start with training for 1 mile. Then 2. You get the idea. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Celebrate those little victories along the way. Finding your why, fueling your motivation. We've all been there, starting a new diet with the best intentions only to give up after a week. Why does this happen? Often it's because we haven't connected with our why. Why is this goal important to you? What will it mean for your life? Dig deep and find your personal motivation. Write it down and keep it somewhere visible. When you're feeling discouraged, remind yourself of your why. It's your inner fuel, your driving force to keep going. Building momentum, one step at a time. Every journey, no matter how long or challenging, begins with a single step. It's the small, consistent actions that lead to significant progress over time. Starting is often the hardest part. The fear of the unknown, the weight of expectations, and the pressure to succeed can make that first step seem daunting. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. But once you take that first step, it gets easier. Consistency is key. It's about showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. It's about making progress, no matter how small, and celebrating those little victories. Think of it like pushing a heavy boulder uphill. The initial effort is immense, and it feels like you're not making any progress. But with determination and persistence, you start to see movement. At first, it takes a lot of effort. Your muscles ache, your mind doubts, and you question if it's worth it. But every push, every strain is building your strength and resilience. But with each push, it gains momentum. Slowly but surely, the boulder starts to move more easily. Your efforts compound, and the progress becomes more noticeable. Before you know it, it's rolling smoothly. The once daunting task now feels manageable, and you find a rhythm. The momentum you've built carries you forward with less effort. The same principle applies to our goals. Break them down into smaller, actionable steps. Visualize your success and plan your path. Each small step brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Remember, don't try to do everything at once. It's easy to get overwhelmed when you have too many tasks and responsibilities. Prioritize what's important and focus on one thing at a time. Focus on taking one step at a time, one day at a time. Celebrate each small victory and use it as motivation to keep going. You've got this. Believe in yourself and the process. Every step you take is a step closer to your dreams. Overcoming obstacles. Navigating the bumps in the road. Let's be real, life happens. There will be obstacles and setbacks along the way. That's okay. It's how we handle these challenges that defines us. View obstacles as opportunities for growth. What can you learn from this experience? How can you adjust your approach? Remember, setbacks are temporary. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. We all need a little support sometimes. Surround yourself with positive people who believe in you. Celebrating successes big and small. We often focus so much on the end goal that we forget to celebrate our progress along the way. Take the time to acknowledge how far you've come and what you've achieved. Did you stick to your workout routine all week? High five to you. Did you resist that tempting donut? You're truly amazing. Every victory, no matter how small, deserves recognition and celebration. Celebrating our successes boosts our confidence and keeps us motivated to continue. So go ahead, treat yourself. You've truly earned it. The power of support. Surrounding yourself with cheerleaders. Remember that obstacle course we talked about? It's a lot easier to navigate with a team by your side. The same goes for achieving our goals. Surround yourself with people who support your dreams and encourage you to grow. Share your goals with them and ask for their help when you need it. Positive energy is contagious. When you surround yourself with cheerleaders, you're more likely to stay motivated and achieve your goals. Embracing the journey. It's about progress, not perfection. Remember, life is not a race. It's a journey to be savored. Don't get too caught up in being perfect. Progress is what matters most. There will be days when you slip up. You might miss a workout or indulge in a slice of cake. That's okay. Don't beat yourself up about it. Just pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and get back on track. What matters is that you keep moving forward, one step at a time. Conclusion. You've got this. Congratulations. You've taken the first step towards transforming your life. Remember, setting goals and sticking to them is a journey, not a destination. Believe in yourself. You are capable of amazing things. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never give up on your dreams. Now go out there and make it happen. I believe in you.